Now I want to discuss very important problems of exercise 6.60. In this problem there are 3 sub-problems. So question is, how will you solve this type of problem? Here ABC is triangle and D is midpoint of BC. So AD is median. AD is median. So you have to prove that in triangle ABC, if AD is median and AM drawn perpendicular from A to BC, prove that first result. AC square is equal to AD square plus BC into DM plus BC by 2 whole square. AB square is equal to AD square minus BC into DM, BC by 2 whole square. And third is AC square plus AB square. This is AB. AC square plus AB square is equal to twice AD plus half BC square. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, एनसीईआरटी की एक खूबसूरती है कि थ्योरम को रिजल्ट के रूप में, सवाल के रूप में दे देता है. दिस रिजल्ट इज नोन एज अपोलिनियस थ्योरम. अपोलिनियस थ्योरम. The problem involving Apollonius theorem will be asked in the exam of Regional Mathematics Olympiad. So this result is very, very powerful tools by which you may solve the problem of Olympiad also. That's why I want to discuss this problem in depth. Now, my dear students, now I want to solve sub-problem number first, then sub-problem number second, then sub-problem number third. Here you see, in triangle construction is what? AM is drawn perpendicular from A to BC. So of course, in triangle ABD, angle ADB is acute. Because AMD is 90 degree. Therefore, we apply here acute angle triangle theorem. What is an acute angle triangle theorem? Since in the problem number 2 and in problem number first, in problem number first we here see that ADB is acute, so you apply acute angle triangle theorem, and ADC is obtuse. So in acute angle triangle theorem, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square minus twice BD into DM. Here in acute angle triangle, altitude is inside the triangle, and obtuse angle triangle theorem we know this altitude is outside of the triangle. So in triangle ABD we apply acute angle triangle theorem. Since angle ADB is acute, so AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square plus twice DC, DB and DM, not BM. Why will not take BM? Because it is distance from vertex to foot of the perpendicular. So we take here DM. So now AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square minus twice BD into DM. That will be AB square is equal to AD square. Convert BD in term of BC. So it will be BC by 2 whole square minus twice BD is equal to BC by 2 and DM. So it will be AD square plus BC by 2 whole square minus BC into DM. In this way, you can prove this second result. Second result, AB square is equal to AD square plus BC square by 2 minus BC into DM. This is second result. This is second result. Now when triangle is obtuse, then we apply obtuse angle triangle theorem. In triangle ADC, we apply obtuse angle triangle theorem. Then we get result. See here, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square plus twice DC into DM. So AD square, instead of DC we put BC by 2 whole square plus twice DC BC by 2 into dm. So it will be AD square plus BC plus dm plus BC by 2. It is from obtuse angle triangle theorem. obtuse angle triangle theorem. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, यहाँ जो रिजल्ट 1 है तो ये obtuse एंगल से प्रूफ होगा, और रिजल्ट 2 किससे होगा? एक्यूट एंगल से। यहाँ ऊपर नीचे हो गया है, इसलिए थोड़ा ध्यान देके पढ़ोगे। नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट, बाय एडिंग दिस टू रिजल्ट वी हैव AB square plus AC square is equal to twice AD square plus twice BD square, and it will be twice AD square plus twice BD can be written BC by 2. So it will be twice AD square plus twice BC square by 4. So now we have AB square plus AC square is equal to twice AD square BC square by 2. In this way, we can write here twice AD square plus BC square by 2 or AB square plus AC square is equal to twice AD square plus twice BD square. इस तरह भी लिख सकते हैं और इस तरह भी लिख सकते हैं। इस तरह हम ये देखें कि ये तीनों रिजल्ट प्रूफ हो गया। और तीसरा केस पहला और दूसरा केस को जोड़ने से हुआ। इस तरह यह जो तीसरा केस है अपोलिनियस थ्योरम के नाम से जाना जाता है। प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, आप इस बात को अवश्य जानें। इस पर आधारित एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट सवाल है एनसीईआरटी में, उसको भी मैं डिस्कस करूंगा। अब मैं उस सवाल को डिस्कस करना चाहता हूं जो प्रॉब्लम नंबर 15 में है एनसीईआरटी में, एक्सरसाइज 6.5। एक्सरसाइज 6.5, in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. My dear student, now we want to solve this type of problem. My dear students, now just I have told you this is a problem of exercise 6.5 of NCERT. Problem number 15. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. प्रिय विद्यार्थी, यह पिछले दिनों बहुत सारे परीक्षा में पूछा गया है, इसलिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। और जैसे मेरी समझ से ये सवाल 3 मेथड से बनेगा, और मेथड से भी बनेगा, अप्लाइंग ट्रिग्नोमेट्री। लेकिन हम यहाँ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, एक्यूट एंगल ट्रायंगल, ऑब्टूस एंगल ट्रायंगल, तीनों मेथड से सवाल को बनाने का कोशिश किए। सिंस ABC इज एन इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल, तो ऑफ कोर्स D इज ए पॉइंट ऑन BC सच दैट BD इज इक्वल टू 1 by 3 BC. इट इज गिवन D is a point on BC such that this BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. This problem may be solved by using right angle triangle formula, acute angle triangle theorem, and obtuse angle triangle theorem. One by one I want to discuss the problem. Now AM is drawn perpendicular from A to BC. Therefore CM is equal to MB, because in an equilateral triangle perpendicular drawn from vertex to opposite side of triangle bisect this side. So now in triangle AMD, AD square is equal to AM square plus MD square. AM square, and instead of MD we write MB minus BD. So it will be AM square plus MB square minus twice MB into BD plus BD square. So it will be AM square plus MB square minus twice. Instead of MB it will be BC by 2. Instead of BD it will be 1 by 3 BC, and instead of BD it will be 1 by 3 BC. So AB square minus BC square by 3, and also 1 by 9 BC square. AM square plus MB square is equal to AB square. AM square plus MB square is equal to AB square in right angle triangle AMD. So AM square plus MB square is equal to AB square, we have written. And here MB is equal to BC by 2. BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. And this BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Because we convert part in term of whole. This is the formula. This is the concept here. How will you convert in term of part? So now AB square minus BC square by 3 plus 1 by 9 BC square. Now my dear students, AD square after taking LCM here is 9. So 9 AB square minus 3 BC square plus BC square. So AB is equal to BC is equal to CA because it is an equilateral triangle. So 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. Now we can prove this theorem. Now we have proved this problem by applying right angle triangle theorem. Now second part. Since ACB is equal to acute, that is 60 degree. So from acute angle triangle theorem, AD square is equal to AC square plus DC square minus twice DC into CM. This is AC square. DC is equal to 2 by 3 BC. DC is equal to 2 by 3 BC because BD into DC is equal to 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2 it is given. BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. So BC is divided into 3 parts and BD is 1 part. It is 1 by 3 BC. DC is 2 parts. So it will be 2 by 3 BC. So thus we have written here AC square plus 2 by 3 BC square minus 2. Instead of DC we have written 2 by 3 BC and instead of CM it will be BC by 2. So AC square plus 4 by 9 BC square minus 2 by 3 BC square. After taking LCM 9 we have 9 AC square plus 4 BC square minus 6 BC square. So 9 AD square, not 9 AD square. AD square is equal to 13 BC square minus 6 BC square. So it will be 9 AD square is equal to 7 BC square and BC is equal to AB. So 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. My dear student, now I also solve this problem by third method also. Here ABC is an equilateral triangle and ADC is acute, so ADB is obtuse. So we apply here obtuse angle triangle theorem. So it will be AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square plus twice BD into DM. We apply obtuse angle triangle in which triangle? In triangle ADB. And we have AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square plus twice BD into DM. Now AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square plus twice BD. We change here DM in term of MB minus BD. MB minus BD. MB minus BD. Here AD square BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC square plus twice BD and instead of DM we have written BM minus BD. So here BC by 2 minus BD, BC by 2 minus 1 by 3 BC, and after simplifying we have 2 into 1 by 3 BC. Taking LCM 6, 3 BC minus 2 BC minus twice BC. And now it is AD square plus 1 by 9 BC square plus 2 by 18 BC square. So AB square is equal to AD square plus 1 by 9 BC square plus 1 by 9 BC square. After taking LCM 9, it will be 9 AD square plus BC square plus BC square. And 9 AB square is equal to 9 AD square plus 2 AB square. And after simplifying, we have 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. So my dear students, now I proved this problem by 3 ways. By 3 ways. Again, we will solve another problem. Thank you. Thank you very much.